Hello everyone, myself Mr. Nimesh G. Gandhi. I am working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Our subject is fluid mechanics and fluid machines. In this subject, we are going to discuss about compressibility and bulk modulus. So first of all, we discuss about compressibility. Then after we discuss about bulk modulus. Okay. When pressure is applied to the fluid, it contract, and when pressure is released, it expand. So we can say that compressibility is the reciprocal of bulk modulus of elasticity. Or we can also say that the compressibility of fluid is ability to change its volume under the pressure. So what is bulk modulus? So bulk modulus is defined as a ratio of compressive stress, or compressive stress we can also say that it will be increase in pressure to volumetric strain. Now you can see here one cylinder is there and one piston is there. Inside that cylinder and piston one gas will be enclosed. Okay, so we just consider that the volume of certain fluid contained in the piston cylinder arrangement you can see here. Okay, now what will be the volume? So volume of the gas enclosed in the cylinder you can see here, that is our volume. Okay, now P is a pressure of gas when volume is V. Okay, when volume is V, at that time pressure we have to consider. Okay, now let the volume of the gas is decrease from V to V minus dV. How it will be decreasing? So we can just apply the pressure on the piston, so piston move inside. So okay, so at that time your dV, that much amount of your volume will be decreasing. So we can say that how much amount of volume of the gas will be decreasing? So it will be V2V minus dV. So at that time the pressure is increased P to P plus dP. Okay, so then we can say that okay, then increase in pressure is equal to dP. Its unit is Newton per meter square, otherwise kgf per meter square. And how much amount of volume will be decreasing? So decrease in volume it will be dV, and increasing pressure dP. So now we discuss what is volumetric strain. So volumetric strain, it means change in volume divided by volume. Okay, so we just consider change in volume, it will be our dV, and control volume it will be our V. Okay, when we put here negative sign, so that negative sign means what? Okay, volume is decreased with increase of pressure. Okay, so we just apply the pressure on the piston, so piston will be travel outside to inside, so at that time your volume will be decreasing, so that volume is decreasing, so we just consider negative sign. Okay, now bulk modulus. What is bulk modulus? So bulk modulus is equal to increase of pressure, or we can say that compressive stress divided by volumetric strain. Okay, now how much amount of your pressure is increasing? So how much amount of it will be increasing? dP. So we just consider it will be dP. Okay, and what is volumetric strain? So volumetric strain, it means change in volume divided by control volume, or we can say that volume. Okay, it will be negative because it will be decreasing. Okay, now just rearranging this equation, so we can just write minus dP by dV into V. Okay, now already I told you, okay, what is a compressibility? So compressibility, it means it's a reciprocal of the bulk modulus of elasticity. So we can also say that okay, equation of the compressibility is equal to 1 upon K, or is equal to, we can also write it will be minus dV by V into dP. Okay, the relation between that bulk modulus of and elasticity and compressibility, and we can say that it will be reciprocal to each other. Okay, thank you.